Do you see this? Do you see this? Mm, 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 mm. This is called growth. This didn't happen overnight, you guys. Thank you guys always for hyping me, but I swear, once upon a time, my makeup was trash. Okay. What it is, what's up everyone, welcome back to my channel. Before this video starts, be sure to smash that thumbs up button because it helps your girl out a lot. Thank you in advance. So first things first, I'm just using the 16-hour camo concealer by elf, one of my go-to concealers to apply as my eyeshadow base because obviously it's like super light and I can't use this under my eyes, but it really helps my shadows pop more. And then as always, I wanted to show you guys this part because after this, I was over it. The struggle is real. I applied way too much concealer in one eye and I was about to give up, but just continue to blend with your finger. I find that blending with your finger makes it so much easier. So in the Anastasia Beverly Hills Subculture palette, I am taking the shade New Wave and I'm just adding that onto a little bit above my crease. You guys, I have a lot of lid space, so don't be ashamed to go above and beyond, especially when you look up. It makes a huge difference. Just move around. Like you guys see, I lightly like move my face to the side and stuff because by the time I look up, I want that shadow to still pop. So what I like to do is just lightly blend that shadow, and if I see that it needs to go a little bit more heavy, I just go back into that shadow and just gradually build color to my liking. So now in the Morphe 3502 palette, I'm just taking the shade called Tan and just adding that into my crease and blending it with the first shadow that I just applied. In the Morphe 3502 palette, I also took the shades Brave, Chestnut, and Risky to add some depth and dimension. I felt like the look was looking a little bland, so I just wanted to deepen it up some. And so I just take it on my outer V and blend it into my crease. And eventually I started to blend it all out. I'm telling you guys, a good blend takes a long time. So just learn to be patient with yourself and blend it all out so that your work isn't looking so patchy. Also in the Morphe 3502 palette, I just took the shades Amber and Polish. They are both very foil-like shimmer shades, so I will say just packing it on lightly or even using your finger works so much better, and it definitely helps that pigment pop more, especially because it's a shimmer. But obviously my nails are very long, so I was just using a flat brush by Morphe and just packing it on like in taps, little tap motions or whatever. Yeah, just like that. Damn, that light switch though, like why couldn't throughout my entire video, I feel like every time I would put that pink Kylie little thing in the like way of the camera and the lighting, it just really messed up my light. Like look, boom, yellow again. Ugh. So now I'm just taking Morphe gel liner in jet black. Now you guys, this is not my daily cup of tea. I don't get down with the cat eye or wing liner, whatever you guys want to call it, but I figured why not try something different, get out of my comfort zone, and I figured this look would be perfect with a wing liner look or cat eye, whatever you guys call it. Again, this is not my daily cup of tea, don't judge me. I was just trying to, you know, wing it out, work it out, whatever. Once my lashes are applied, what I like to do is just take these shadows that I applied onto my lid and just drag them onto my lower lash line. I just feel like that really helps the look well blended together and put together. So I also have a video on how I apply my lashes, so if you guys would like to see that, it will be listed in my description box. Go show love. Thank you in advance. So right now, just to bronze up some more, I'm using the Ofra bronzer. I noticed that this had like little specks of gold shimmer in it, and I am a sucker for that sun-kissed glow. I was glowing until you couldn't tell me anything, you guys. I love a bronze face. Like, it just, oh, so sexy. You guys know what time it is. It's time to highlight. This is just the Anastasia Beverly Hills Mreezy highlighter. Oh my goodness, I love this gold highlight. It's just like the perfect highlight. You guys couldn't tell me anything. Like, this is the best highlighter. So right now I'm just using the Morphe liner in Sugar Pie. I absolutely adore Morphe liners. I recommend them. They are bomb AF. So I'm just outlining my lips, and then I'm going in to NYX Lingerie. This is called Exotic, and just applying that all over my lips. I do sometimes overdraw my lips. Don't come for me. You gotta understand, my lips are kind of thin, okay? And as I get older, they're probably just gonna get thinner, and it's a hard not life, okay? So just bear with me. Never fails. This eye is always watery. So here I'm just showing you guys how I did this hairstyle. Prior to this, if you guys are like me, I don't like to wash my hair on a daily basis because them natural oils is what helps your hair grow. It's what helps your hair remain healthy, okay? So what I like to do is just if my hair is like 3 to 4 day old, I'll just apply some leave-in conditioner because that definitely helps, especially on your split ends. And I just found this idea on Pinterest and kind of just split it into 2 pieces and twisted it up. I'm just trying to get used to like new hair techniques. I'm so used to like short ass hair that this is new to me, and so yeah, I kind of like this. Like, over a braid, this is kind of cute, you know, it's kind of chic. And voila, this is the completed look. I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. Be sure to smash that thumbs up button because it helps your girl out a lot. Drop some love in the comments down below. Every Tuesday, I decided to shout out one of my commenters, one of my loyal subscribers. I don't even want to call you guys that, but until I figure out a name, you guys know what it is. Till next time.